Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about WhatsApp introduces new security feature, Elon Musk ambitious plan for a Mars colony, McAfee study on AI in online dating, Google's €25 million pledge for AI education, Apple settles lawsuit against Rivals, Elon Musk attempt to acquire Twitter, Apple Music lossless audio feature, and more to skip to. Any particular news story, use the chapters below, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. WhatsApp introduces a security feature to protect users from phishing scam. Users can now block unknown number directly from the lock screen, reducing the risk of falling victim to phishing attempt. The latest version allows users to block messages from unknown number without opening the app. Elon Musk announces an ambitious plan to establish a human colony on Mars within the next few years. Musk aims to transport 1 million people to Mars using SpaceX Starship rocket. Human settlement on Mars is seen as an insurance policy for the survival of civilization. A McAfee study reveals that 77% of Indians have encountered fake profile or AI-generated photo on dating platform. 39% of Indians report interaction with potential love interest online turning out to be scam. Despite concern, 81% of respondents report better outcomes with AI-generated content in online dating. Google pledges €25 million to help people in Europe learn to use artificial intelligence AI. Social enterprises and non-profits can apply to help reach those most likely to benefit from AI training. Google to run growth academies and expand free online AI training courses in 18 languages. Apple planned to settle a lawsuit against tech startup Rivals over alleged theft of trade secret related to computer chip technology. Agreement allow Apple to examine Rivals' system and recover any confidential information. Rivals was accused of hiring Apple engineer and using confidential information to develop competing technology. Elon Musk began trying to acquire Twitter after a request to shut down an account tracking his private jet was denied. Musk contacted Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal regarding the @ElonJet account before attempting to buy Twitter. Musk paid $44 billion to acquire Twitter in October 2022 after initial conversations with co-founder Jack Dorsey. Apple Music introduced lossless audio in 2021, allowing users to listen to the original form of music. Lossless audio is available in resolutions ranging from 16-bit to 44.1 kHz to 24-bit to 192 kHz. Supported in AirPods, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, and Beats wireless headphones, providing high-quality audio. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.